Are you tired of watching your auto repair shop struggle to attract new customers? The problem might be staring you right in the face: your website. In today's digital age, your website is often the first impression potential customers have of your business. It's essential that it's professional, informative, and easy to use. A modern, custom-built website can be a game-changer for your auto repair shop. It can help you attract local customers, build trust, and showcase your services in a clear and concise manner. Imagine having a website that not only looks great, but also provides a seamless user experience. With features like mobile responsiveness, online booking, and customer testimonials, you can establish your shop as a trusted and convenient option for car owners in your local territory. Don't let outdated websites hold you back from growing your business. Stop losing customers to your competitors and take the first step towards creating a strong online presence. Contact MarketinGear today for a free consultation and let us help you build a website that drives real results for your auto repair shop.